Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. Okay, before starting the video, I tell you this is a seasons and many tutorials I already made in this season. Okay, now we are making a part that length 96, and this is your practice season. I think you make this you design this type of part to enter any company, or I'm not talking about any company, I am talking about any other you can work as freelancer. There are so many way you make a good design engineer. Okay, first we take this profile. Now there is no need to make same profile in another. We give dimension this profile, then we mirror this one. And this length is 7, sorry, this thickness is 7, this total length is 12, total length is 54, sorry, width length is 12. Okay. And this dia is 30. Okay, then what is the okay, this length is 54. Now it is become fully defined. We select whole profile, then mirror entities. After mirror this profile, now it is fully defined. Okay, then take a arc. This arc you saw in this profile, this arc is not tangent. Okay, I will tell you one thing. The first we select both of them, we do tangent. Okay, but there is no need to doing tangent. This radius is 66. First we select the radius 66, then we making one side radius 66, then mirror to another one. There is in the center there is also another arc. Okay, and this arc is this arc center is not from top line. There is some distance. Okay, this one, select this one. Now this distance is 10. Okay, now this one is tangent, and after doing tangent it become fully defined. It become okay, fully defined. I already told you. Take a center. After taking center, this center dia is 15. Okay, and this center distance from the bottom is 15. I not taking from bottom, but there is a distance 12 mm. After 12 mm we take a 15 mm length. Now it's time to extrude this part. This total length is 30. We select this one. This length is 30. Select this one. Now it is 6. Select sketch. And this distance is 20. Okay, and this arc is select this one, select this one. rib, maybe we taking rib, but sometime it's show an error. uh, Error cause is do not merge with the main body. 7. And first we can sketch, extrude, select plane, offset. We can do a mirror. Mirror also a good option. Okay, guys. And the 37 distance offset. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, and change this direction. After changing the direction and 7 mm thick, now this profile is made. Okay, and there are some other holes that we insert in this 3D object. You can select the whole command, or maybe you make a circle and cut a through hole from this part. Okay, there are so many options. You find which one is better and which method is less time consuming. This distance is 12, that is 96, 65.